So yes, it's so fun to dress up, you know, have fun for watching the game. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting little package here from MelodySusie. It just came in a bubble wrapper. There was nothing else in there. But my rep asked me if I would like to pick out 5 countries. So they came out with these game day FanGlow kits. It's for the World Cup, you know, it's going on right now. And they have 7 countries available. They come with the nail stickers, face stickers, tattoos. It says little freckles that you can put on. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so I got to pick out 5 countries. So there is 7 countries. But of course I picked out, I picked out the USA. You know what, let me zoom out just a little so you can see everything. Picked out USA, Mexico of course. My husband is from Mexico. Argentina, Brazil, and then Canada. Oops, sorry, my little mat here. I think, it's sticking to the envelopes. So the other countries they had were, they do have Spain and then France. So yes, these are just, the countries I picked here. So I just want to go through and see exactly what comes in the kit. Are $9.99, but I do have a discount code Sondra12. You could save 12%. So yeah, these are going to be fun. We've been mostly watching the Mexico games. So yes, I told my kids my son or Aaron actually has an Argentina jersey, and my daughter has a Mexico one, which she wore on her birthday when we went to eat, because that's when Mexico was playing South Korea that day. So I told her, you guys are gonna put your jerseys on and we're gonna have fun and decorate our faces and stuff. So these are the ones that you put across your nose, like the little freckles across your nose. That's what it shows on the website. So that is super cute. And then it comes with some nail stickers, which is fun. I love the little fireworks too. Those are super cute. And then we've got the little nail, the little gel strips here. It says goal, and it has, of course, the red, white, and blue. And then these are the little tattoos that you can put on. So I want to go ahead and look at each country. I haven't even opened, like I said, I did open the package just to get them out because I wanted to see what else, if there was other stuff. But yeah, this is all that came. But I think that's such a cute idea. So then we have, oh yeah, and it comes with the little file and then the little wood stick to put on the nail little strips. I want to see if I'm able to put them on to make like press-ons. Like if I put on a base coat and cure it, if I can put them on the nails as to make press-ons. So, if you have like the Canada game or Mexico, you can just put on press-ons. So I want to see if that'll work instead of putting them on like your natural nails. So again, we get the file, the little wood stick. We get the cute little sticker to go across your nose. The little tattoos. The nail stickers, which are fun. I love that it came with the nail stickers. So yeah, you could do press-ons too and decorate them with the nail stickers. And then these are cute with the little, this would even be cute for fall, like the ones that just have the maple leaves. I think that's really cute. So again, we have the file and the little wood stick. So it looks like the only one that has a different nose, freckle thing to go across, that's what it said on the little email she sent me, is the USA one. So all these other ones are the same, which is fine. But yeah, just to let you know that, yeah, this is the one that is different from all the other ones, because even the Mexico one has the same, same images. So then this is the Argentina. So then we get the little tattoos, the nail stickers, which is cute. It says Argentina. the colors there, the little sun, it's like the little heart monitor there, super fun. And then the nail, the little strips, the soccer ball, again with the little heart. They're super cute. And then the last one is Mexico. So yes, they've been doing so good. So yes, so excited. All right, so yeah, like I said, this one that goes across is the same as the other one, except for the USA. Let me just put the little wood sticks. And so we get the little tattoos, which is the Mexico flag. And then we get the nail sticker, which is cool. It says, I love Mexico. Those are cool. How fun. And then we have the little nail decal, or not decals, gel strips. How fun. These are super fun. So yes, I want to see if I'm able to, like I said, put the nails on a stand, put base coat. You know what, I'm trying to see if these are gel or they just like stickers. Let me go and check real quick. Okay, so yes, they are gel. It says includes 4 products: gel nail strips, nail stickers, temporary tattoos, and freckle stickers. High quality and skin friendly materials made from non-toxic, waterproof, and skin safe materials. These tattoos are gentle on all skin types, including sensitive skin. Simply place the sticker where you want, wet it, and press for 30 seconds. The design that lasts 5 to 7 days. That's for the little tattoos. You can use baby oil or use alcohol for quick removal. So yeah, super cool. So it just says you get the kit, and then you can pick like their gel polishes and things. But I was looking at it looks like they have nail tips on, like they put them on nail tips. I don't know, that's just what it looks like to me. I was looking at here, and it looks like they have them on like nail tips. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some tips worked out. So yeah, let me get this cleaned up and then I'll be back. All right, so I have 2 sets of nails here. Don't mind, that's just from the alcohol, me wiping the nails. I'm gonna make 1 set for me and 1 set for my daughter. I'm gonna wear the USA and she's gonna wear the Mexico, since she has, the Mexico jersey. So I wanted to try 1 nail with base coat. I wanted to see how the base coat worked, putting the gel strip down. So I'm just putting a coat of base coat, and then I am going to cure it for 60 seconds. And so I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I'm going to start on hers first, and I was just deciding which fingers, or which nails, was going to be what color, design, and all that. And so of course the pinky's the smallest. So I'm going to be putting the soccer ball. Well, let me just say, all the tips, the gel strips did not fit. They were all really small. Even the biggest thumb, and I don't really have big thumbs. I think we wear a size 1, and they were all way too small. So I had to go in and add like polish on the side. Yeah, the base coat, it was slipping around. Even though it was cured and everything, it was slipping around. So I don't recommend putting base coat. I know when I did my daughter's nails, I reviewed some gel strips, and I said, oh, maybe we should put base coat. But no, the base coat, yeah, they were slipping around, and it was a little bit hard to work with. But I just went ahead and did this for the first nail. But after that, I do not put base coat. I just go ahead and put it on the clean nail. And so I'm just going to show this one nail, just how you have to file off the excess. I did fold it under the nail, and it says you're supposed to go down. I was kind of going up and down, and sometimes side to side, just because, these little files are just not, they're not the greatest. But I was trying to be gentle too, because I didn't want to mess anything up. But I'm just going to show this nail filing, and then after that I'm not going to show anymore, because that's all you do is file off the excess. And then sometimes I'll go in there with my tweezers, and pull off whatever's left under there. And so I have to take black and white polish, which I do have MelodySusie black and white. And because I said they were short on the sides, and we were the smallest size, this was the smallest size tips. So yeah, they're pretty small, but it wasn't a big problem. I mean, I just went in where the black on the soccer ball, I just filled in with a liner brush, just took black, filled it in, and then where the white was, I took white gel polish and filled that in. So I do have to do that on every nail. Even the USA, I had to go in with a blue, you know, I had to go all around the nail just to fill in because they are small. And like I said, we don't really wear like big sizes. So yeah, if you have larger nail beds, they most likely will not fit. You'll just have to go in and put nail polish, but I think they're cute just for, like I said, we wore them as press-on. My daughter took hers off that night because she said they were too long, which I was like, these are super short. And I wore mine up until just a few hours ago because I need to do my natural nails. They're all grown out and stuff. So I wore them since yesterday, which was Tuesday. Today's Wednesday the 1st. Happy July. And so yeah, I did wear them overnight and they stayed fine. Nothing like peeled away or anything because I went in and top coated and sealed the free edge. But yes, just letting you guys know, you will have to go in and fill in, you know, parts where the gel strip doesn't cover. Alright, so I went in and filled in the white and black parts of the nail, and now I'm going to take the MelodySusie top coat, and we're just going to top coat over everything, make sure we're getting it on the sides so we don't have anything peel off. So yeah, I wore mine, like I said, for basically 24 hours, and I didn't have anything peel. I took a shower, I did the dishes, I fed the dogs, did everything I normally do, did laundry. Edited videos, I went to the store, you know, I bought groceries and all that. So yeah, everything, I mean, I did everything, you know, normal, and nothing peeled, nothing started to come off. So yeah, I think these are so good for, like I said, for these party, you know, going to parties, going to watch it at like a sports bar or whatever, to have your little press-ons. And yeah, because they're super cute. So yeah, I know next time there's a game on, she's probably going to wear, you know, I'll have her wear them. Because yeah, like I said, I made press-ons out of them. So yeah, so that way you can reuse them instead of the strips on your nails. Of course, you could put them on your nails, you know, your natural nails. But I just think for like this type of occasion, you'll always have nails to go back to. I think I'm actually going to put mine on 4th of July, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to do my nails. We're leaving out of town to Utah and then to Arizona, and I don't think I'm going to have time to do, I've been wanting to do my nails, this certain set I have in mind, but I just don't know if I'm going to have time. So if I'm not able to do my nails between like tonight and tomorrow, then I'll probably just put them on for 4th of July. We're going to my mom's to swim and barbecue, and so, I mean, they're perfect. They say USA, they're all the colors, so I think they're perfect for 4th of July as well. So this is the red, this is going to be the middle finger. I just wanted to have a solid color. And then this is, I believe, the index finger, another soccer ball. And yeah, you just want to make sure you go around, get the creases out as good as you can. I'm using a silicone tool. And then, like I said, I'm not going to be showing all the filing, you know, of everything, because just like a little bit here, just to know that I did file. And then the thumb is also going to be the Mexican flag. And so I'm just going to put that right down, smooth it all out. And then, like I said, I did have to go in with a red polish and a green polish because it didn't fit along the sidewalls. But I mean, that's not a big deal. And so, yes, I'm just going to finish smoothing this out. So now we're going to be putting some stickers. So I'm putting on the middle finger, this is going to say I love Mexico. I'm going to put that kind of right in the middle. I am going to do some rhinestones on this nail, on the cuticle. I'm going to do red, like the AB color, and green, since the flag, you know, red, white, and green. So I'm going to put rhinestones on hers, on that middle nail. But yeah, these stickers are super, super cute. So I was just trying to figure out what did I want to put on the bottom, and I just decided to go in with this little soccer ball that has the green and red colors in it. And then, like I said, I was like, oh, do I want to put stickers, you know, at the cuticle, and I decided to put the rhinestones, and I think it looked really cute. So then, yeah, the nails that have the flag, I'm just going to put this little soccer ball, and it's got like a little, I don't know if it's like a little flame or something coming off of it. But yeah, these are fun because you can, you know, you can just paint your nails, you know, red, white, and green, and then put stickers all over them. Or like I said, I think it's cute to have the little soccer ball. So yeah, these are hers. Before I put the rhinestones, you'll see at the end, I'll put the rhinestones. And then yeah, make sure you stay tuned too, because me and the kids are going to be showing you our tattoos that we did, our little freckles on our nose and stuff. So yeah, I have never filmed like that, like face forwarding like that. And so yeah, I know my lighting was bad and all that. I was like, oh Lord, it looks look horrible. You can see every little thing. But yeah, I don't do face, you know, showing my face on camera. But yeah, I think I should have put the lights a little, angled them a little bit different, but whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm just gonna, now this is my set that I'm gonna do the USA. And so we're gonna go through this one pretty quick, just so you get an idea. I'm just putting, this one says goal. And then we're going to do the stars on the middle finger. Just making sure we smooth everything. And I'm doing the same thing. I have to go in with blue and outline around where it doesn't meet the sidewalls. And then same thing with here. I think I just did white on the flag nails. I just went around with white. And so yes, we're going to put some stickers. I wanted to go ahead and put stickers too. So the nails that have the flags, I'm going in with little fireworks. And that one's so cool. It says USA Soccer 2026. I think I paused the camera or something, but that one was cool. And so another firework. So yes, I think these are super, super fun. Like I said, they are $9.99. I do have a code Sondra12. You can save 12%. I think they're fun to have. I mean, you can use them even if your kids are in sports and stuff, you know, to have the soccer ball and stuff. I think they're just something different and fun. I've never seen anything like this. So I think it's really fun to have. So make sure you order them. That way you can get them, you know, in time before the games end. But that was my daughter's set, and then this is my set. I did the tattoo on my hand, and then you're gonna see us coming up here. Thank you. Hi everyone. So we have our game day gear on. I did a tattoo on my hand, and I have my press-ons, and I did the freckles and the little tattoos. Aaron has his Argentina jersey on, some tattoos and the little freckles, and then my daughter has Mexico. I did some press-ons. And so yes, it's so fun to dress up, you know, have fun for watching the game. Please check out MelodySusie. I do have a discount code Sondra12. You can save 12%. So yes, check out their website. I think it's such a good idea. It's so much fun. So yes, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.